That secret stuff. Why you come, but you can't carry the you know, car. Only one seat and you can come in.
Um, me not think me can come. Cause if Dave can come with me, me not think him a go allow me to come. Me can go. So no can go and leave me.
Oh, really are born of me? Oh, really are born of me? I do think. Eh?
You hear yourself? You don't think you hear yourself? Yeah, you listen to the words I'm going to say? Rain fall from morning, you live in your place. I
Rain
don't know.
a fall from morning.
And
Rain
what
a
happened?
fall this morning and stop. All no rain still a drizzle and you just step in your house with your shoes. You can't just take off your shoes.
Where's the to take off my shoes? Eh? Look, most times if you buy the mat, you put yourself. You don't want to buy no mat. So what you expect will happen then? Eh?
I put 2 and 2 because of you.
Listen to me. Listen, hear me out. I am not the kind of person to thump or abuse. That is not abuse. If you tell a woman about your feelings and how you like if she act like an idiot and you say you're acting like an idiot, that is what? Abuse?
Me alright. Me alright, man.
You sure? Because trust me, you don't sound like you're alright, you don't look like you're alright. What really are going?
I did have someone want to tell you about. Dave said me not to tell nobody else him a go do wicked things to me.
This is funny.
I want me must buy already.
Don't buy no dry goods. Don't buy no biscuit. Don't buy no potato chips. Don't buy no plantain chips. Don't buy no...
Then, babe, that means that too much money you give me, I can buy chicken and rice. I take you $100 and give you back the $500 and cook your dinner here.
Get that straight in your head, you can't do my brother nothing.
It come like something shouldn't come to you, you know. I come like me know something never do get no justice. But me not say nothing, you know. Me not say nothing. But you will hear about it.
Hey, wrong move you make.
Everything good, man.
Tell your sister to leave my brother alone. Out and bright. Tell your sister to leave my brother alone. Because you wouldn't love to know say one man accuse your sister. So where you go about that now?
Sister, you know, so me this is the way I say already. So you have to worry yourself. Me go try today to be a better person. But
You go try.
alright, so
You go try.
you come and know how to do it.
You really do this to me?
We are calling me so much time for. And you take disadvantage of me.
No, I never do that. You change.
You subscribe yet?
Yeah. Come on, I know you're strong, yeah. But you'll be wrong and strong, that means you're weak. And if you can't say you're sorry when you're wrong, that means sometimes we have to take a look in the mirror and find our faults. Cause if you say you're strong, then you have to take a look in your faults. Now make your pride and your feelings stop you from have a better day. Better day. Better day. A better day. Better day. Better day. Only you can make it good.
Babe, you wanna know say? At the worst, 1 week of my life ever have not having you here. Like me feel tormented, me feel like I don't know how this house can ever be without you and me there. Sorry for everything, man, and I'm willing to change and make a difference.
You go change.
I change already.
I found when you change.
I know how to change, because if you change means say accept say you do something wrong. You understand? I'm want you to get back in being who you are, Dulcinea. You understand? Because me think say, you want to go back and work again?
You never make me do that work.
Yeah, that means more to make you go back and work. You want to go back and work?
I need the work before.
Yeah, you know work before. Remember saying I work up a thing there. Bavasa place. And you quit and you left the place and I went tell him like say the ice cream parlor. Remember?
Oh, true, I found long time, I remember.
You know what I say if you want to get back on path. You want to do it?
Mm-hmm.
Got one more money for you. Just promise to, but yeah, more money for you. And
So what make you make me stop from work from the beginning?
no, because sometimes when your man thinks selfish, you only think say you're there for me. But at the end of the day, you need to can you know do what you need to do. Say you want to buy like certain things, you don't have to come and ask me to buy it. You just go buy it for yourself. You're
How
there
would
now.
tell you that day?
You know, I just think and I know say right for everything. You understand? I'm gonna make you alone wash plate and then sit and then I go take. I go help you, man. Like 2 hours, if you 2 hours there, 2 hours your partner.
You two away your partner?
Yes.
So how when we are go get job?
Well,
Them all give you money.
Another kind of partner. I mean, I talk partner for person to person, me, you know, stick together and we have life. You understand?
So we ain't got no life from the beginning.
We have life, man.
That means that we dead?
You know, see you're funny and I love and joke. I joke around now, but listen, man.
We not run no joke. You say we got life. That means that we ain't have no life before.
We have life, man. We're gonna spend it together now. Nice. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So if you want like any little thing, you gotta make sure so you have it before you even think about it. I mean, for example, like you're there now and you want to cook. You make sure so you have everything. You have a proper seasoning. You don't have to wonder where you get a seasoning from and or something. So a lot of things you gotta make sure say alright. I'm tell you something. I tell you something about church, you know.
I check you, I check me out.
I'm not to trick you. I come for you, you know, you give me a ball and sitting, you give me a ball.
I did hear somebody a balling and it sound like you, but I'm not sure if I you.
I'm me, man. Yeah?
You did a ball for real in a real
Alright.
life?
She don't know what, man.
In a real life you did a ball?
Real life.
And
Serious.
real eye water come out of your eye?
Like,
How would it see when you have a ball?
one of us, but I tell you, trust
And
me.
God knows you?
God don't see me.
Oh. That means you're true, you talk.
True me at all, man. Don't see me now. I
Oh.
love you. I'm going to work it out here. What? Alright, guess what I'm going to do for you tonight? Me I cook for you. So I want you to sit down, cock up your foot.
And my foot dirty.
Don't worry about that. I'm going to dust you. Cock up your foot. Relax.
I never have no water for bathe this morning.
Just relax, man. I'm going to cook some food for you. Yeah? Me I cook for you.
You?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna hold up the time in the house, you know. Oh, go on.
Yeah, dude.
Everything good?
But there, man.
Alright, so where you want, where you ask me now?
What you know? I see a play the other day.
Mm-hmm.
Me I think about it. What you know? I meet a bee there and shop in general.
Mm-hmm.
And the bee look nice and thing. And me I say, oh, me I search high and me I search low for this female. And can't find this female.
Mm-hmm.
And then me remember say, oh, you're the biggest informer in that place in general. So me did have to come link you.
No man, I can't make things so bad. I'm not an informer, you know. I'm an information specialist. When they say I want subject me come out of school with, you know, I information technology. Don't make it look so bad.
Oh, so you call it. Oh, okay. Anything you say still, you know. But I'm gonna tell you, what you know, she name.
Brother, if you don't tell me name, how me I gonna know who?
She name again, man. Anna Dulcie.
Who?
Anna Dulcie.
Dulcie.
Dulce? No, man, no, Dulce.
Me know what Dulce, you know.
Oh, you last part, Dulce what?
Dulce me, you know.
A Dulce Mina.
She a chat.
She
a chat.
and she come from the community back.
Peterson, yeah.
She, you know.
So why, she a look?
She, you know.
So you know, so she have one man though.
Me did ask you information about her, man. Me ask you information about she.
Sorry, man, sorry.
What you know? I want to know which part she live in general. I tell her, say me I come get her a link, and she never say me nothing come, you know.
You sure say you want me tell her? Since me I want informer, I don't think you go want buy information. Since me I want informer.
Oh, watch you, son. We make it worth your while, man. Don't watch your face. I don't know the thing going on.
Oh,
I have to
man.
pay for information, you know.
Of course, man, I want
I
to.
know the thing going, general. Yeah, man, so I make you get that thing, man. So
Wait a minute, I make me get that thing. Wait thing there.
Yes,
Nobody tell me say are you too long and you come with me. I carry it.
Go feed. Alright, what you know?
Yo, Jason, which part you there? Come pick me up right now, cause the man
Hold on, man. Alright, man.
Hold on 1 second.
Don't do this. Watch your number, boss. My good feet. I can't go for your thing and come back on.
Just make sure say give me money.
Me go carry your
Listen to me, man. If you don't give me money, you know, just know say information for you, go read somewhere.
You know why you do that. So what you know? Where is she live?
She live Peterson. You know, a third lane. Froome lane. She live in our apartment.
Oh, the apartment on the side there. On the right hand side of the apartment there?
Brother, you have to do what the rest of that. She live in her downstairs, man. But just know say she live with her money. So if you ever get
What I talk about him, man? Froome Lane,
Mhm.
Petersfield, apartment, downstairs.
room
Yo.
5.
A real information minister, you know?
Sister,
Why? What go on, my brother? Heat wave.
you see,
Heat
man.
wave a kill with a blouse and skirt. I'm if you tell you. Jesus, have mercy, God.
Hot, not true?
What?
Yeah, man.
When they're outside, but they see
Mhm.
it, we have to stay outside. I everybody want to reach right now, you know.
Yeah, tell
See,
you.
can't do it. Well, we look up Island Paradise, Jamaica.
Hot, man.
Yeah,
Hot,
it hot.
hot.
The mama tell you, the heat, me hot so till me a burn up.
Turn up, man, for sure.
Jesus.
Turn up. But sis, me I can't tell you about the facts, eh. I'm only proud of me, you know. Because last time I talk to you, believe me, I feel so sad of me. I said, I can't let down my family. I can't let you down like that. Give what go on.
I take my advice.
I mean, I must take advice. And a real talk here, talk a truth. Sis, I go back for me, to do some, you know. I'm have her in a yard there. I'm basically, I go do the right thing now. I go stop shouting for her, stop calling her name. You know what I mean? Become the person what she want to be. You
Brother,
understand?
far and Dulcimina come from, you know.
What I tell you, man?
Far and Dulcimina where I come from. Trust me, the other day when Mr. Richie come check my master, I not lie, but it feel a weird. Because what the man say now go end good enough.
All that
Remember
thing,
with blood in the eye, you know.
Not true, man.
My heart bleed. Come closer, man. Sit down, yes. Sit down right there, sir, brother. Sit
Sister.
down. Hold on,
Big
brother.
boy,
Hold on.
what you talking about?
Sit down, yes, sir.
Nah, if me figure something, no, sir. Look how me bigger, hey. You take care of me, you know. I mean, respect that, but me can't sing for that, no, man.
You
Nobody
see,
that, man.
you don't follow instruction.
I don't want that
Other day,
instruction,
me tell
sis.
us if you sing for me, and you would have dead before you sing for me.
Yeah,
I know me, I tell us, sit down, and rest your foot. You know, I love you, you know, brother.
no, man. Don't worry about you. I'm turn up and talk to me, sis.
I want to be proud of you for true, because you are one, you know. You see, true. Right now, I feel emotional. You did say you feel emotional the other day? No, I feel emotional. And guess what? You know what happy way?
Are you proud of me? I'm proud of me because I guess I know, at the end of the day, I know what's right from wrong. And me, like I take out certain anger issues from she never right. And I change.
So listen to me now. Let me talk to you. Let me get up and chat to my brother, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You see, other day, when you come here, I tell you the truth. They have sleepless night. Because when me think about the fact, say, you, my nice brother, when my mother and father grow so good, you never see parents quarrel and fight. Me not say you fight. Dulce me,
No,
you know.
fight her, man.
But sometimes it's better if you're a fighter. Because you see some people, like you to how me here, you fight with words. And sometimes words cut deeper than a knife. Seriously, you know? Because look here, you know, say, it's that verbal abuse thing there. It lead up to mental abuse. And you see mental abuse, it lead up to physical abuse. You hear me say? You hear me I tell you? And listen to me now. You see when time people get mental derail, you know what I talk about?
Lose it.
They lose their mind. Because sometimes if people them just start to abuse them verbally, start to tell them some words and belittle them and make them feel small and make them lose their self-esteem. And when they lose their self-esteem, you know what happen? They get mental. So you abuse them treat the hard way. How much the hard way? You have verbal abuse. You have mental abuse and then you go physical abuse. And physical abuse lead to death and destruction. So I'm glad and happy for know say you can look in yourself and change up your ways so you can start to make your family know. Because look here now. We don't deal with no ingrafted food around here, you know. Original.
True.
You understand? Because I always see some people pick some sitting off a some tree, sour orange and turn it in a sweet orange.
Engrafting.
They're ingrafted. So you're original. You don't know ingraft nothing around here, brother. So I'm glad to see you looking at yourself and change up your act.
Definitely. I'm
understand?
I have to come tell you because I don't want you know you come off like me not appreciate what you say.
I'm happy for you, see. I'm happy for you. So look here now. What you say? You go make one either one niece or one nephew, you know. Anyone will do.
Me I take my time. You know, easy, you know.
One niece or one nephew.
True. Why I take my time?
You can't make a picnic and go see in a misery and you tell your wife or your girlfriend some terrible words.
True.
If I broke up then curse for early, brother. You sit down back. I'm feel like a better, you know. So what you say?
What am I going to do?
So you couldn't carry one bottle of water and give me no say time, man.
You know, so I shop me and go, but me just hurry up and come up and chat to you fast.
I don't know me feel good. You can't pick two, you know, coconut.
Supposed to, you know. I'm going to pick some coconut for you. Coconut trees, I'm still about you, Joe.
Yes.
I'm going to say I can pick two coconuts for you.
So you say, you soon come?
I soon come. Yeah?
So me for do?
Just go out with us, man. Nah, let it down. Can't let it down. Yeah? Soon come.
Molasses. Hello, Dulcinea. How are you doing?
How would tell you which part me live?
Let me never tell you something that go find you, baby.
What you want?
What you mean? Invite me in.
Hurry up and come, because you have to make your son go back. And I invite you in here.
Come in, man. I'm not stealing. Yeah.
And what you want now?
Oh, you're so hard to find. Even though them say good things is very hard to find, you know.
What you want? Because me tell you say, my man return over man and he no want if he do nobody nothing. Because you come, before you tell me what you want, you they touch me. First thing come no want see you they touch me. And my husband to be, me no want you to touch me. Anything when you come but just chatty and go along quick no man.
So you rush me, so my friend.
But me live with me man. And my husband to be. We soon married and you come now and me yard come sit down for me man veranda. Fin come in and argue with me. Me no want no argue with me every me no want they argue with me every time.
Relax, the man. Him not there nowhere near. Probably gone all at work.
Not
Say, I
a way
go
you
on,
watch
Safa.
him. You watch me man, you know which part in there? Are you in security? Me no want you watch me man. And me want to watch him. Come in now, watch your
Hear
woman.
me I say, man. Them say bird can't fly upon one wing, you know.
How what you want now? Me they
Want
ask
give-
you what you want.
I want to give you another wing.
Me a no bird, so me can't fly. Me no want no wing.
You can't live through the thing and not have tools and have a backup. If you always have a backup,
What
a
you
nice
talk about?
female like you need another man.
Me?
Yes.
Me got one man already and me just tell us I'm so married. What you want talk about?
And like me tell you, say you need another man.
You know, say you know say you one wicked man from the first time me did see you, me know say you're evil. Me tell you how me man stay and you don't want to see me talk with nobody. And you come at me yard now if you put me and me man in a problem. If me and me man left, too you want to carry me go away.
Me not try mash up a relationship. I just want to strengthen it.
How you going to use strength hate? Eh?
I going to use my local intuition because it's when time the man gone, I will slide in and be the one. When the cat's away, the rat comes home to play.
Me must play with you when my man gone.
See, you just a pick up on me and talk about the man.
Me no in that. Me no do that.
What you mean?
You're too out of that. What make you want me if you go slide in with you when my man gone? That a wickedness and me love my man. And you no want to see me talk to nobody so me no know. Who show you me yard? Me no know.
See it?
Where you come over here for?
Abuse you. He might deal with you a certain way. I am going to be that next person who deal with you soft and treat you the right way. I'm going to show you how loving feel.
And me tell you say your name if you pay for your chicken back for me. And you pay for that's why you ask the people them when me live in that area and come find me yard. No, you want me to get in a problem.
I don't want you to get in a problem. As a matter of fact, I wanted to get out of problem.
When my man come me, I go tell him say you did pay for something them and make him give me back his money for you.
That is not necessary.
Because me did tell him say and my brother give me money for pay for and you pay for it. You're too wicked.
Yes, if your man for do come and see me, just tell him say me is the plumber.
Plumber?
Yes.
How come we not have no pipe? Let's see where you're fast now.
Which one you say you want to leave?
Oh, I plumber this? I plumber?
Yes.
I work I water hours are gone. But hold on. I know you miss you up everybody I talk about you find woman.
No.
I know you.
No, man. When?
When?
When not?
Alright, you hear me, sir. Left me here.
You know what I'm
Left
saying?
me here. Just left me here before me start it. Left me here. Left me here.
Alright, I'm boss.
Left me here. What the man I do me here? And him may see up a river, you know, and him me a talk about, you know.
High piping come to fix.
So plumbing working though.
Mm.
I really want to go back to one place, you know, because I live good, you know. Me I cook for you, me I wash your clothes them now, me I help you to do all kind of work, because me into the relationship. You understand me? I say, don't make me feel like say me I do a wrong thing by accepting certain things. You understand me? I say, do me now? And me I come back to tell her good news, because my sister here me I come from. Because me I tell her, I say, you know, everything I go on good and she proud of me and them something. Me no want she lose off of me because me I say, man, do me now, don't.
High piping come to fix.
Come to fix the pipe, but listen to me. Anytime the man come to fix the pipe, tell him to come back or call your man. Call your man and make him deal with it. You understand me? I say, it's not that jealous, you know, but it's just that me no want a man in my yard. You understand? How you look for one man, I can't look for me woman. Eh? Me no there yard and him I can't look for me woman. Me no depend that. Me no want no man in my yard. You understand? Me and you alone. For me and for your place. Eh? You understand? For you and for me place. Alright? Right. You must say we start a brand new, you know. I mean, I come talk to you. So come on, going. I can go watch some movie. You alright?
Mm-hmm.
You eat already?
Me not eat something when I come and me and you gonna eat together.
Exactly. Come in.
Mm-hmm.
Come make you hug me up.
You push me down every time when you hug me up.
No, let me eye. That's it. Me eye lock up. Dulcimina. You know what I'm saying? This one done? You know what I'm saying? Yesterday went kind of hurtful for me though.
What happened to you?
And I want to me, I want me can't see.
How you say?
Look how me I try to be a better person, Dulcimina. Me I try to move forward in a positive. Me I try to go to church. Me I cook for you. You realize say there, so I wash your plate now because I'm me with a name I wash your plate and don't even know what them people are texting. You make me feel like say me I waste my time.
And that you come and say to me like me an idiot.
Dulcimina, you make me feel like me waste my time. How me if you come on my yard and see man on my yard and I see a man there pay fee get the grocery, get the chicken back and he's sitting if he come cook for me. That same man, you know say man no, you know come fix no plumbing something. You know that Dulcimina. So I understand why it's like say I make it seem like say the man there if come fix pipe.
And him saying come to fix the pipe.
So why you invite me now for me place up na gate? I make him man slung her palm me for the veranda.
A lie you tell for me?
Me not tell you say a lie, I want me come see.
Me never call him over your yard.
You never call him over for me yard?
Mm-mm.
You see, I do my thing that I can't take him because me I try work it out with you, now work it out with me. Dulcimina, you the man there?
Yeah.
You the man in the things?
I can't say that.
When me say I say that, alright, put yourself in my shoes. If you come home and come see my woman on the veranda and the man look up in my face so, that means say what? I pipe them, I pipe them.
I don't know what you talk about. I don't know can they talk about something when me don't know about.
So what you want to talk about before me come there?
He say he want fix pipe.
You want to fix your pipe? That you want to come do?
I no got no pipe.
And you want a pipe, you want pipe you? Because me not see we not told.
What you talk about?
What me I talk about? That me I talk about within it. You know say, yo, me can't believe me I try and you not make it easier for me Dulcimina.
Me no do nothing in the yard, say me got money in the yard.
So the man me come see?
I know me carry him over here. Him walk through the gate himself and come in and me go for him out there.
What is up, man? No matter how I try, the devil has to try finding a way if he come peeping. Alright, I ain't finding a way.
I'm going to tell you something. You see, the day when me go shop, and him say he going to pay for something them and me never beg him.
Me here confused me right now.
He say he going to pay for it and me never beg him to pay for nothing for me.
You are confusing me right now.
I'm confused because me know say you will come cause me tell you say my brother give me money for pay for.
Dulcimina, you know say you read this and now, alright. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take a breather and go cool out. I'm going to cool out. 2 minutes for cool out. Because you don't understand what you do. I can't sleep last night. I sleep all night last night. I think about this damn bad man that come to my place. I come down and look up at my woman's face. Stare in my woman's face like say him and she and things.
He never in my face. That for me I know mirror. A liar tell for me.
Me I tell lie? Alright, Dulcimina. Me I tell lie for you. Me can't see her, me I tell lie for you.
He never up in my face. You fit top tell lie on people. You know, say you grieve me. You grieve me.
Dulce. Dulce.
How would that be?
What you mean I would that there? Come out here, son of a. Hey. No, sir. You're not easy, no?
You can come in the gate.
No, I'm not ready.
How?
You're not easy at all, and you're smiling too. What are they for smile about?
How are you talk about?
You know, saying no sense. Now Richie tell me, say, him come down your field and bring you up a vineyard. Stop, don't show me nothing, don't show me nothing. And you take this thing for a joke. After the man waste him time and bring up a female just to protect you and have your monks in. You really left in the night and come back down here so by the time him reach home?
I'm a man, come for me.
Don't say
Because
you're
he
not
love
you're
me.
not you know?
He love me and he saying go married me and he start go church.
You damn fool. Of course him love you.
Yeah,
why
me
man
know
stop
say me a
meet you.
fool. He not let me.
Don't say. You never used to see so. You did have sense. He beat it out of you or something. You did have sense. Want you?
How
Of
come
course
you,
you get money in your life.
you come for shame me
I
or
beat
what?
me for come beat you. Me for put it on by you. Show you some love you.
Every time you come at me yard after 25 years and 10 years and 2 years, you come with one different sitting. Now you come to take me man family. Me and your family, you
I
know?
don't want your man. Because if me they have your man, would have beat him, kill him. I don't want your man.
Me and your family and you know come to encourage me say the marriage good. And me no feel leave him and me have right to come back at me yard. You come down here they come argue with me about Richie say.
You know, some of you like some is a mad person to just
And you
stand
know
up
say
and
me
talk
just
to you.
did a wash out in hand upon them and
Yeah,
you
but
call
I
me
don't care
round here.
about that. I don't care about that. You never used to see it, so you did bright, you did have sense. You used to could have hold a conversation. What do you then hope you hear
Stop
something?
tell me about conversation, cause no word no go so.
Up a rich here for there. Up a rich here for there. All the man do a butter bruise and take you for a little idiot. But love. What kind of marriage you are run now? I say you well want ring?
Give me ring.
Take off this mask.
No, he said nobody no fi take off the uncle him.
One thing you do. Lucy, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down now. One thing, baby girl. Lucy, you never used to act so.
I wish part of they come from. You did the pamphlet?
Yeah, listen to not what me I said to you, man. Yeah, listen.
Because my brother tell me say you're a flight attendant.
Yes, me a flight attendant, but that's not what I came here for. Are you listening?
How will you come for?
Lucy.
Why me couldn't
Shut
have
up
come down
for
and me
once,
man
man.
yard every time?
Shut up now. Shut up. I don't want to hear you. You didn't have sense. What
So I
happened?
tell me say me nah no sense again.
Yeah, you not have none.
How am I?
He beat it out of you, obviously.
A liar tell for me man, he never lick me yet, he just call me idiot. And say me a fool and he say me a jackass.
Alright, so you don't believe it?
Yeah, me know say me a idiot.
You need help. You need professional help.
How you want can me go?
Bellevue, of course.
A fool. Let me go. You don't like who know. And who know make me left me man here the other day and me go bad. And when he come, me go tell Dave say you come down here and feed me. He say me no be left. And you come feed me, you fool.
Lucy, you need help.
Come out of me yard.
You need help, me. I want to help you.
Come out of me yard. Me don't like you for a long time. You walk complain and you don't give me nothing.
Lucy,
Don't
I
touch
just
me.
want help. You need help. Me know if you're fox, so you need help. You're not see.
What make you come back for me? Me no want to stay up on my
Me
brother
not
yard.
try to force you out of the house here, but me I tell you
And
something.
him tell us if he come look if you see me down here.
May I get, yes, but may I get some help for you? Me, I go get some help for you. You need help, Dulce.
And my man Dave help me already.
Dave not do nothing more than beat you, Dulce, and ill treat you.
I thought
That
you
I
want
no
them and
love, baby girl. That I no love.
what make you hold on for
You're
me?
delusional.
Like your mama.
Stop it. May I get you some help and may I come back, you know? Now come back for you.
To see you know say you jacket me, you know nothing. You come down on me yard now, if you come take me away from me man, if you carry me up on the yard to wash on no dirty clothes
That
them.
is fine. No, man, I never did that after you know my maid do say. I just want to get you some help.
I did me love you fried chicken for me last night.
Yeah, that is fine. That is fine. Now come back here and may I get you some help.
Yeah, come back and look for me.
May I look for you.
And
you
you
come
carry
back with
sitting
some
for me
people.
and
Yeah,
Dave,
me
you know?
and some people come look for you.
And you go carry sitting for me and Dave?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
For you and Dave.
Mm-hmm.
I promise you. You got for see me?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Mm-hmm. Before long you did pick on look for me, I know you just have come. Come hug up me man, you fool you. You can come in my house. Come on. But you have to come out before Dave come, because I don't want none of my family them here. No, you say no like you no. Come in. No.
Dulcimina. Dulce.
You.
How are they?
So you can't find somebody senseless for have a beat and abuse. And because you decide say you go walk on and take advantage of. Eh?
Wait, hold on. Me still didn't want to shock right now. I wonder what the hell you do on me yard.
It don't matter when me do your yard, I come look for my family member.
So what that mean?
At the end of the day, you use and abuse this lady.
What do you mean you use and abuse this
Actually,
lady?
you know she don't have no sense.
What you mean
So you
to
can't
know?
get no better woman on the road.
What you mean to know? Are you not have no sense? You come here and say she don't have no sense. My Dulce, listen to me I say, my Dulcimina, we have arguments. That's all we have. I've never put my hand on Dulcimina. I bet see if it's me down here, I beat her up and I thump her up and
I don't feel, I know.
What you mean,
Arguments
no?
are simple. You take her for an idiot. Lucy act like she retarded. I come here, come look for her, she act like she retarded.
You know what to do, see?
You beat the sense out of her, that me know. Me know.
Why you saying that me do it? Why? What?
Alright, Lucy
Dulce-
did absence, one to her.
Dulce
One to
went
her.
into a depression. That's why I take her from her work. You understand me? I say
My
me take...
trouble with depression, I mean, I act like I'm not absent.
No, because right now you feel like you're so strong and you're independent. You don't need other man. When last you see one man,
I don't need
I'll
a
be
man.
a girl
I don't need a man. I'm a flight attendant. I take flights, not I catch flights, not feelings,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, that's fine.
I don't need a man.
Don't show off yourself. But I'm saying to you that at the end of the day, you don't have a man. So you don't put yourself in the category to be in a relationship standard.
Why would I when there are men like you around?
Men like me around.
Yeah.
You feel like the worst thing ever?
You're definitely the worst thing.
You're the worst thing ever
Me?
right now. Come on me yard.
You wish you could have a girl like me.
Me?
You
No,
wish.
no.
But me that beat the crap out of you because me can't ramp with. Me, don't make because my distant at one point. You think say I'm a walkover.
You see short people like when love
Short
fight.
people.
Love fight and have beer mouth. Yeah, man.
Short people.
I be an argument.
Short people.
Just take your time and go on. Where's Dulcimina? What?
Excuse me. Come again. You said me to take my time and go and put me out. Put me out, Dave. Put me out. I would love for you to challenge me today. Put me out.
Father God.
Come now.
I'm there now.
Come now. I'm gonna get
time.
revenge from my family.
Alright.
Come now.
You see, the funniest thing about it, when you tell Richie one message, tell Richie say if you leave my girl alone, and next time he come here, come take up my woman out of my place. We are gonna get married, and we don't want Uno at the wedding.
Married.
It's as simple as that. Uno go hear about it, Uno not go do it.
You already tired. And you want to make it
You mean
even
time?
worse?
We are talking about
You
time.
want to put ring on her finger?
I ring the finger.
The next time we're going to hear
engagement
news
ring.
about her, you kill her in there, you strangle her, kill her.
Wrong somebody.
Listen to me. The next time we'll come back for her, we'll get her professional help because the sister she not no sense.
Come out of my place.
No.
Leave my place.
No, I was already leaving.
Yes,
Don't feel like say you were putting me out. I was leaving.
Alright, yeah, go on.
You don't get that pleasure.
Go on, Miss already leaving. Yeah, man, go catch a
Bright
flight.
and feisty.
Me bright and feisty.
Any day, I love catch flights. Man like you, me no want.
So we go back to square one. Because your family just keep on a pop up in that place and hold on. How would you hear? I wanna lose out here.
My cousin come and pull out it for me. She say, me here dirty and you want to wash. And me did tell her, me tell her, I said she not fi pull out me head, you know. And she say, she say she have to go mirror. And she pull it out. She say you have me down here and I want me to go a hairdresser. That's why me look so. So she want me look different. And she pull out it. And me did a tell her, me all did a fight her. Me tell her if you not pull out me head because you will quarrel. And she still pull out it. So me make she turn because she hold down my hand. And she make her fingernail crammy right here so.
Let me tell you this. We're going back at square one. That woman there, she come out at the veranda and chop me in my head. When I say chop me, I mean say push me in my head like say me and she in things. You understand?
She my cousin.
For your so-called cousin. Head big like.
So-called.
What do you mean? The same one I walk out a while ago?
I'm
Wait.
a real cousin.
Are you real cousin?
In a real life.
In a real life, but she not no sense. And she not no style. But she a flight attendant and she a catch flights and then something. I'm like, I'm going to show off for me.
And you call me cousin idiot.
Me a call your cousin idiot?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, listen me I say. See? Don't make them come back down to my place. None at all.
I know me did call her down here, you know.
Dulcimina. Dulcimina. Every time you say I know you. You call man over my place and come sit down on my step and I know you. She come in my house in your ear, loose out your ear. Your ear supposed to take me about half an hour to lose out. So as so long she there in my house, she drink up my drinks?
No.
She never want my food?
She never come so long. She know what she do? She take his scissors and cut you out of my ear. She never pull out it with her finger.
Dulcimina, listen to me I say. At the end of the day, me think so we're going back to school and yo.
Me no know what you mean, which part we are going down.
We not happy again. We can't happy. We can't stay happy. Why we can't stay happy? Why you can't make we stay happy?
Yeah, be a square one. What you are talking about?
What you are talking about? Why you listen? Why you hear?
You say we going back at square one, but you never can make a movie out at square one.
You know, so I don't believe everything of people has something wrong with it for you. Them say something wrong with you. And then me cause it, you know. Cause there's something what inside of you cause you to have that the reaction to when me talk to you tough.
A peer one you did carry me go on a scary one. Now you say we gone back there.
Dulcimina, what really going with you?
No, do me. Are you give me trouble every time?
Me I get trouble every time. Are you know me I do? Me gonna make one psychiatrist or somebody come talk to you because something wrong with you. I don't know, me cause it. Because every time I talk to you...
You know say me like them kind of people there?
You like who? Psychiatrist?
Me like them, and they're my friend.
Go. I'm gonna give me some drinks. I'm thirsty. Place hot.
And what kind of drinks you want? Sugar and water?
Anything you want, you're gonna give me.
You did left some apple juice in the fridge and me did take some. You want the rest?
Give me the rest.
Yeah, come.
I want to make you walk so fast. What happened?
Are you not come check in? Sis, if there's something wrong with this.
What do you mean something wrong with this Dulcimina? I don't understand.
She talk some things like she go mad. She say some things out her mouth where, to me, it don't sound normal.
Like she a mad as in mad.
Mm-hmm. Like she lose her brain, like she can't come back. You know, when one ship a go off course, and no matter where you take it, it can't carry current that carry the go so. And I just saw it a go.
No man, it sound like one time on tube punch you. Anyway, me not take this no joke. How you mean say Dulcinea act like she a mad? How you mean?
The things when she attack some things when make no sense.
So you know come tell me other day said Dulcinea alright and it was no good.
I don't know. I don't know, something wrong though. I feel like something wrong. Cause I look in her eyes when she attack, and she attack something like me I say more care like we have I don't remember something we attack about. But she attack
Our
about
argument mix up.
confused. Discombobulation, it just all over the place.
So what could I cause it? You feel sad because Richie did take her from the house and she a think about it and she a overthink her mad?
I never reach out behind.
No. You see, I tell you, now, you see, look here, man. Don't do that.
What you think?
Where you get this Obia argument? Me don't like to hear it. Everything at Obia, nobody can sick naturally again. As people dead, so you hear sa Obia.
So what no people go
And
on.
nobody no want take responsibility for their own actions. Mine are you know.
No.
Brother,
Somebody.
let me tell you something, man. Don't play with me, no, man. Mine are you and your dirty behavior cause a girl for your mad out, you know.
No, me done them behavior a long time. Me no call her no name. Me cut them vibe the first time I talk to you. Me tell you something, me change.
So why is it you're a judge Richie?
Me
You
no know.
carry the girl go doctor the right place you bring her go. You bring her go doctor.
Me no money to carry a doctor. That's a problem now.
So now that you feel say money you come to borrow from me. You're grown and come round. You're grown late and come round cops.
Me just come check if I talk to you because me coward now, me scared. Because she no sound righted.
Brother, me know you too well. And money you want to borrow.
Yeah.
So now that you feel say your nice clean mouth and stop growing and come round. So hold on there. Our family know?
No.
So how you keep that to yourself?
Well, see our cousin when come down there, come talk to her, and from the cousin wash her hair, talk to her, comb out her hair. It's a different Dulcinea. That's why me I talk about Obia. That me I talk about, sis. Now look for me, so sis, cause I'm nervous.
She have fever?
No.
You sure?
No,
I check her temperature.
Me not touch her.
Mine a bad flu a grow and she catch, you know. And the fever fly up in her head and she attack foolishness, you know. Bring her go doctor. Take her to the doctor, okay? Because I say friend, her cousin wash her head, she start to act strange and attack pure foolish. What? Giblish? Giblish or giblish or whatever. Me don't know. Because me don't like foreign language. But anyway, me not laugh. I can't fever she have, you know, and the fever gone up in her head, you know. Because one terrible flu a go around and make sure you find Richie and tell Richie. Because you can't keep our sickness to yourself as secret. But me never have no cash. So the only thing I can do is give me bank card. As you already know the PIN number. You understand?
Me will come back. But I'm going to talk to her first, get her ready, and I'm going to call you.
Get her ready, man. You want me to follow you? Are you good?
No, I'm a good man. Because when she go see her and she go trigger off some.
Then I say bad.
Me no know. Because me no know.
You make sure say you go tell our family, you know.
Me no think you tell him family though.
What you mean?
Me go check it out first. You see something carry go a doctor, me carry go a doctor first and then afterward me check it doctor. Sis, later sis.
You talk all foolishness. Go on, because you're confused. Me can't bother with you, no brother, but me love you. Call me, you hear?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Come
on.
I know you're strong. Yeah. But you'll be wrong and strong. That means you're weak. And if you can't say you're sorry when you're wrong, that means sometimes we have to take a look in the mirror and find our flaws. Cause if you say you're strong, then you have to take a look in your flaws. Now make you pride and your feelings stop you from have a better day. Better day. Better day. A better day. Better day. Better day. Only you can make it good.